name's Claire, and welcome to Farm Life. I'm going to show you what we and us farm gals do on a daily basis. Are you ready?
Or not.
Let's go. Or not. Well, first we start off our day waking up to that sound of the rooster.
Insert rooster noises here.
Insert rooster. Good morning. Hey, y'all. How you doing? Now it's time for breakfast. Can you smell that? Smells like good. Smells like good. Gotta put some on your plate. I'm extra hungry this morning. There's no time for spoons. That's enough of that. So hop on your tractor and get to it. I really don't know how it works. That's Daddy's job. This is my horse Bessie, and we go for rides sometimes. Giddy up, Bessie! Come on, Bessie! Wow! Go, Bessie! Whoa! Whoa! All right, good girl. Good girl. Now it's time for your midday nap. Hard at work for several hours a day. Now, in order to pick up a pile like this here one, you're gonna get under it, you're gonna kick it, and you're gonna get it. Where do I put it? Now you're done. Alright. Now you move on to your next set of chores. Now if you want to relax on a nice hot summer day, you gotta bring your city folk in to play tetherball with you. You wanna play around a tetherball? Yeah. Or not. Can I climb a tree? Ouch! Stupid tree! You could climb over your fence. You can climb over your fence. I don't know what to do! Help! Daddy! Oh my God! I've just witnessed what I do on a daily basis in my life. Bye, y'all! Daddy!
And that's what us horse folk typically do in a day.
That is what horse people do.
Yeah. We just simple horse folk here. We don't mean no harm.
Nope.
Camera's so ratchet, the lens doesn't even open. Don't run into the fucking monopod! Okay, I'm sorry. I get passionately angry with this. I'm gonna try to make another one of these vlogs again. I don't know why. Nobody watched the last one. Nobody cares. But you know, yeah, it was. Satan Tony is back. He wasn't in the last one. That's why nobody watched it. So here he's back. I got Jackson over there. We're back and Jackson's being a whatever. Oh, okay. Oh, vlogception. I don't know. I don't even know what's happening anymore. You just witnessed Hallie kicking the horse. Abuse. There we go. There we go. We're getting it.
Oh my God!
Ninja. Oh, that's adorable. Things quickly take a turn for a worse, and now Claire only has one seat. This is what happens when things go bad.
So we had Jackson going crazy.
And then we had Jackson going crazy and taking Odo. Yeah. Farm Life with Claire.
We're going to be showing you how you can make the best out of your dresses.
What's with that pelvic thrust? And then during your nap, some stranger will walk up to you and violently assault you. Or no.
Or no. Well, now that your midday nap is over, Daddy's not going to be happy.
Just like fall off.
Okay.
That'll be weird. Impossible trying to break a limb.